never took a L, lesson learned, and I bounce back. Tripping off a nigga, man, for what? I just fall back. I don't have the time to be giving out my time. Haters trying to dim my light, cause they know I'm about to shine. When they say I'm not hot, now you know you niggas lying.
What's up, y'all? I'm KADIJAH Nicole, and welcome to my channel. And today I want to share with you guys this wig that I received from LAVY Hair. It is their 180 density 360 loose wave Brazilian hair 22-inch wig, and right now I have installed it and I'm just showing you guys the hairline. You know, it needs some more plucking. It has a little bit plucked, but I want to pluck it some more. So right now I'm just going in and plucking the hairline. And like, plucking the hairline definitely makes your wig look a lot more natural. So I'm definitely going to start doing this more. But yeah, so this wig is 360 like I said, so it does come with combs inside of it and a adjustable strap in the back. And here's what the, you know, hairline looked like to begin with. But now I've completely did the hairline, and as you can see, it just looks like more natural. So now I'm about to go in and separate my edges out, you know, create some baby hairs, because I feel like baby hairs just bring the whole look together. Even if you don't gel them down or, you know, style them completely, it needs some type of baby hair because it's just gonna make it look that much better. So right now I'm sectioning off the hair, and I don't want to do too much, so I want to make it look, you know, as natural as possible as I can get it to look. And now I'm just going to chop the hair up real quick. So this is what the hair that I had from plucking the hairline. But back to the wig. So I went ahead and laid this side, and now I'm going to go lay the other side. So I got some Eco Styler gel and my little edge brush, and now I'm going to go ahead and do this side of the baby hairs. And I have to look this way because my mirror is in that direction, so sorry I got to do it to that angle, but y'all had to make sure that they was getting snatched. But yeah, it's not that hard to lay baby hairs on a wig. Once you know, cut them pretty short and you just swoop them like you would do your natural hair. And this definitely helps if your lace isn't like completely your color, or just if you're not like a super pro at laying wigs. Like, I ain't a pro, but I can do it pretty good, I feel like. And see, I just feel like it brings the whole look together. Like, you ain't gotta be laying like some crazy baby hairs out, but as long as you like swoop it up to look nice, it's cute. And then I take some Got To Be freeze spray and spray them just a little bit. Y'all know I like to use just a little bit because I don't want it to be crispy. So yeah, I spray them just a little bit to, you know, hold them in place. And this just, it just gets the job done. So now that that's done, I actually want to curl this hair. So I'm going to be separating the hair off and using my flat iron and doing some curls with my flat iron. And before curling the hair, you always want to make sure it is combed out nicely. So I went ahead and detangled it really quick, and now I'm just curling the hair with the flat iron. Now, doing flat iron curls is not that easy, but once you get the hang of it, you know, it gets better. I just think it's a lot harder when you have a longer hair to do, because you have to keep like rotating the iron to get the curl. But yeah, once you get them curls going, the result is like beautiful. The curls are gonna come out so bouncy. You see what I'm saying? You see that? Now that's when you know you got some good hair, because did you just see that bounce, sis? Did you see the bounce though, sis? So I'm gonna go ahead and finish curling the rest of my hair. Y'all, this hair is like super nice. I know I've said in the past that like this wig is good, this hair is good, but this wig here, this is probably like one of the best wigs I own now. Yeah, it's definitely a go-to. I always get like a lot of curly wigs, but as far as having a straight, everyday, black, full, bouncy, yes, this is my go-to now. But anyways, I wanted to do a half up, half down style. So I'm just sectioning off the top of my hair. And you guys will see that I have to do this a few times because I realized I was using too much hair for the look that I was going for. So this was like my first attempt at doing it, and I used too much hair and it wasn't sitting up how I wanted to. It was very just like plaid. It wasn't like cute, you know what I'm saying? It was just, see, it's not sitting up how I wanted. So I realized I needed to use less hair, and to get the look that I wanted, I would say the hair went back as far as like 2 inches, because the less hair I used, the better the ponytail sat on the top of my hair. So at this point, I finally got the look that I was going for. And it came out so cute. The body, the luster, it holds curls, amazing. Oh my gosh. The only thing I would say, it did shed a little bit when I was washing it, but I mean, that's expected. But anyways, this hair came out super cute. I'm just spraying some more freeze spray to set the style. Shout out to LAVY Hair for sending me this hair. I'm completely obsessed right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did. Hit the subscribe button and join the team. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Your girl is out.
Damn, how can you blame him? We just all trying to eat. Hey, verse 1. Young black boy, black skin, that my brody. Young black girl, black skin, she so lovely. All my little homies in the hood, some of them thuggin'. But motherfuck your standards, my head nappy, bitch, I love it.